Hello everyone, I am Poojitha from K Batch. My ID number is Kara 2024-343. As a part of our course crop production technology under the guidance of Dr. Nagendra sir, we are dealing with the crop Bajra. Its scientific name is Pennisetum glaucum. Its chromosome number is 2n is equals to 14. Origin is from Africa. It belongs to the family Poaceae. As it is a drought tolerant cereal crop, it is a staple food for the semi-arid and arid regions. It is rich in carbohydrates, proteins, and dietary fibers, etc. Bajra is also known as pearl millet, and its crop duration is 65 to 100 days, and our crop variety is MPMH21. It is mainly used for the human consumption, for livestock fodder and poultry, and also for an industrial product. Coming to the morphology, the stem is an erect and also a smooth surface. It contains smooth surface and solid stem. Its height is stem height is 1.5 to 3 meters. Coming to the leaf is in long and narrow. 8 to 15 leaves are present in plant. Alternate arrangement we can see. Inflorescence is an earhead. Coming to the rooting system, it is a fibrous root system. As you can see, it is a deep-rooted system with good rot resistance. Land preparation. Bajra needs fine seedbed preparation. We have to do ploughing, harrowing, leveling, and formation of furrows and then ridges. Bajra required a seed rate of 4 to 5 kg per hectare. When it comes to the spacing, row to row, we followed 45 centimeters, plant to plant 10 centimeters. Coming to the soil type, it required sandy loam to loamy soil, pH of in 6.5 to 7.5, well-drained soil is required. And coming to the seed treatment, it required carbendazim of 2 grams per kg of seeds and also azospirillum inoculation if available. It improves the seed germination and also the seedling vigor and prevent from the seed-borne diseases. As you can see, we followed line sowing. Thinning and gap filling should be done 15 days after sowing. Thinning and gap filling helps us to ensure optimum crop population and also uniform crop growth and reduce the competition. Coming to the fertilizer requirement, 80:40:40 kg per hectare NPK. Nitrogen should be applied in a split application. That is top dressing and basal application. Basal application K and P and 50% of N. And top dressing 50% of N is applied after 30 days after sowing. Deficiency symptoms. Nitrogen deficiency symptoms, yellowing of the leaves. Phosphorus deficiency symptoms, purpling of the leaves, and potassium deficiency symptoms, scorching of leaf. Coming to the water management, it requires 350 to 500 mm of water, and we followed furrow irrigation method. Critical stages: tillering, grain filling, flowering stages.
Hi guys, I'm Tejas from second year EGBSc and bearing the ID number Kara 2024-342. So the topic I'm going to cover is water management. The pearl millet is mainly a rain-fed crop where the total requirement is in and around 250 to 350 millimeters, which is lower than most of the cereal crops. The critical growth stages for the irrigation of pearl millet are during the germination stage, flowering stage, and grain filling stage. Under the drought conditions, supplementary irrigations during flowering and grain filling significantly improves the yield. Then later is the weed management. The critical weed competition period of pearl millet is 15 to 45 days after sowing. The common weeds observed in pearl millet are Cynodon dactylon, which is nutsedge, and Cyprus rotundus, then it is crabgrass, etc. So the weed managements which are carried out through intercultivation, hand weeding, and recommended herbicides are applied on the field. Next are the pest and disease management, where the crop pest symptoms mainly include leaf fading, stem damage, sucking injuries, curing and drying symptoms. Pearl millet is mainly susceptible to diseases such as ergot, downy mildew and smut. The suitable insecticides and fungicides are preferably used by the farmers to control these diseases and pests. Next is the crop growth observations. At the 15 days, the crop showed a very healthy establishment with active vegetative growth. Then later we took it on 38 days after sowing, where a rapid vegetative growth and increased leaf area, strong root development and improved canopy has been observed. The crop attained 50% flowering in and around 45 to 55 days. Then later, healthy flowering and reproductive growth with proper ear head formation were observed in the flowering stage. Next, the maturity and harvesting. Pearl millet reaches physiological maturity in and around 75 to 90 days. And important maturity symptoms are yellowing and drying of leaves, drying of stems, hardening of grains, and changing color of the ear heads. The crop is harvested when grains become hard and attain approximately 20% of the moisture content. Later, after harvesting, the ear heads are dried, threshed, cleaned and sun-dried before the storage. Then later, we'll discuss about the yield. Under good management practices, in irrigated crop plants, it is in and around 35 to 40 quintals per hectare. In rain-fed area, it is 12 to 15 quintals per hectare. The important yield attributes recorded are plant height, which is in and around 125 to 250 centimeters. Number of tillers per plant is 1.5 to 3. And ear head length is 20 to 35 centimeters. Grain weight per ear head is 8 to 15 grams. And the total grain weight is in around 1000 grams. So I conclude my topic by saying the field experiment helped us understand the complete packaging practices involved in the pearl crop. And successful pearl millet production includes land preparation, sowing, nutrient management, weed control, water management, harvesting and yield estimation. Thank you.